What's up YouTube, back again with another video. Today I just want to show you how to do a money or a money transaction. I've been showing you a lot of on how to do transaction in VideoPad, but using like the stock or using the transaction which are already in our VideoPad. But today I want to show you how to do money transaction on VideoPad. So I will start with this video, and I don't want this video to play that long, so it will play from here until here. Then I'll just click L to cut it, select this side, and I click delete. Okay, we can come here just to decrease like the zoom size, zoom out. Then we can also go to from this clip, because I won't be using a clip, we can mute that. Then I'll just go put it down so that I can have more video side. So another thing I will do, I can click here just to make it to be very small. I can do the same also on the audio, but I won't be using an audio that much. Then I can go to the second video, I can drag it straight to here. For this video I can drag it on top, but I can also drag it here. For this one I want to change the speed, because this video is playing 1 second, so I want it to play around 3 seconds, so around it will be 25. So you replace 6 seconds, so let's say 30, let's say 50. Yeah, I think 50 is good. Set. It will play a little bit longer. So if you see this strong blue side on this, that means the video is still loading. So speed video has been adjusted to sync with the sound. Got it? But we won't be using the sound because we really don't need it. So it won't play because it's still loading. But let me try it out, but I'm pretty sure it won't play. Let me try it out. Okay, although like it is stop and going, but you already see how the clip is. This clip is just this clip going and open the gate. Then the next clip is straight the face of the guy who was opening the gate. Then I'll take this clip, then I'll drag it on top right now. You can drag the clip on top, but you need to make sure around this point in the middle, because that's where the transaction will be. You can zoom. Just try to go straight in the middle, and try to make sure in the middle, that's when like the money covers the entire screen, not this side panels. So the money should cover the entire screen. In the middle, the money should cover the entire screen. Okay, so another thing, you can click this, then you can click Alt V just to open the effect panel. Then you can go straight to the green screen. Then what we'll usually do is just you don't push the train straight that side, you push it this side. Just go select the same color to be green, then you click there. Then you can see like a little bit of a color, and there's a little bit of a green out of here. So what we'll do, we'll just try to increase like the threshold a little bit. But the transaction is usually fast. Not a lot of people will notice it, but we won't see it until like we show it until it appears this side. So let's try to go and put it straight in the middle. Let's put it in a place where we'll just see the pieces. You can still see a little bit of a green there. Let's try to feather it up more. Let's put fading around 5. And then let's increase like our threshold. Let's increase it to 30. Then it's still a little bit of a green, but I feel like it is kind of better right now. So let's try it one more time. You can see now it is that strong blue is going out. You see the strong blue is going out. Okay, let's wait a little bit. But so that the video it can play, see that it's going out. So the video can play. Normally it needs to be this gray. But I once tried waiting for it. It took a year, so I won't wait for it. Let's try and play it and see how it looks. I guess that's it, guys. I guess that's it, boys. I believe, guys, that is the end of the video. I did show you guys how to do the money transaction, and it is just perfect. So we can also do money transactions on VideoPad. Okay, guys, thank you so much.